गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। I have studied about the irrational numbers. How can we prove a number be irrational number? Just like root of 2, root of 3, 2 plus root 2, 2 plus so. But today I am going to explain what is the decimal expansion of rational number. Decimal expansion of a rational number. Students, when we are going to divide, numerator by denominator of any rational number, just like P upon Q. P upon Q is a rational number and P is numerator and Q is denominator. When we are going to divide P by Q, then two results may be possible. Two results may be possible. First result is a remainder 0. A remainder 0. That means numerator is totally divisible by denominator. Second is a remainder be not equal to 0. That means numerator is not divisible by denominator. Students, when in the process of division a remainder be 0, then that type of decimal expansion is called terminating decimal expansion. When remainder is 0, then decimal expansion is called terminating decimal expansion. I noted first when remainder 0, then decimal expansion is called terminating decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. And when a remainder is not 0, then decimal expansion is called non-terminating decimal expansion. Non-terminating decimal expansion. When expansion is non-terminating, when decimal expansion is non-terminating, then two possibility be also here. Two possibility. First is a number be repeated at infinite, till infinite, just like 1 by 3 equal to 0.3333 ... 10 by 3, 3.3333 dot dot dot. This type of expansion is called non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. This type of decimal expansion can be converted into the rational number, can be changed into the rational number. In the other word, you can say that if this type of number be given and you are asked, tell me it is rational or irrational, then you should answer that number is rational, because it will be converted into the form of P upon Q, so number be rational. Second possibility, non-terminating, non-repeating number. Non-terminating, non-repeating number, just like 1.1010010001 up to dot dot dot. The place of the digit is not fixed in this quantity, so it cannot be converted into the form of P upon Q. So you know this type of number is irrational number, not rational number, because it cannot be converted in the form of P upon Q, and it is called non-terminating, non-repeating or non-recurring. You can say recurring and non-recurring. This is non-terminating recurring decimal. This is non-terminating non-recurring decimal. There are three important lines for class of today. First is decimal expansion is two kinds. There are two kinds of decimal expansion. First is terminating decimal expansion. In this condition, a remainder be 0. Come and see some example about this. Suppose that some decimal expansion 375 045 1.234 up to dot dot dot. Every decimal expansion is terminating decimal expansion. 0.375 is be converted 375 by 1000. 1000. And 1000, when we factorize 1000, we get 2 5 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 2 ja, 5 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja, and 5 1 ja. That means 375 upon 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. The most important thing. Now second is 0.045 be written in the form of 45 upon 1000 also. 1000 also be written as 45 to 2 by 3 into 5 by 3. This is also. Suppose that denominator of any quantity be 100, just like 0.37, 3 7 by 100, 3 7 by 100 we factorize 2 5 the 225 the, that means 2 2 into 5 per 2. Total mechanism of the quantity will try to explain a terminating decimal expansion when it converted into the form of P upon Q. Then Q be represented into the form of 2 to the power m only. What is clear? Only 2 to the power m or only 5 to the power m or both. This line is most important for you. In the terminating decimal expansion, denominator be factorized into the form of only 2 to the power m or only 5 to the power m or both. What is the real meaning? Without actual long division method, by this process, you are able to explain the given number are terminating or non-terminating. One question is most important. In your coming exercise, there are so many questions can be arises on this topic. Question: without actual long division method, describe the given number are terminating or non-terminating, recurring or non-recurring. So, in that condition, only you should examine the denominator of the rational number. If denominator be converted into this form, then number be terminating. If denominator be not converted into this form, the number is non-terminating. It's clear. Most important topic for you. Now, on this concept, by this concept, I am going to try some questions of exercise number 1.4. Come and try to see. First question is, without actual performing the long division, state whether the following rational number will have terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal, repeating decimal. So, first is 13 by 3125. Now I am going to factorize the denominator of this rational number. 3125, 5 6 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja, 3 1 2 5 equal to 5 5 5 5 5. That means 5 to the power 5. So 13 upon 3125 be written in the form of 13 by 5 to the power 5. According to above concept, which can be explained by me, when denominator be converted into the form of 5 to the power m, then number be terminating. Here in this question, since denominator is in form of 5 to the power m, then number is terminating. One question arises here. How can you converted this question, this number into terminating decimal? If you were asked terminate it, then how? Without actual division, you are able to explain the number is terminating, but how? See here, 1355 multiply by 2 per 5 into 2 5. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. 32 multiply by 13 upon 10 to the power 5. 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5 is equal to 10 to the power 5. And now multiply 13 to the 26 or 13 3 the 39. 39 41 by this 0.00416. This is terminating number. Easily you can do it like this. All questions of first question of exercise number 1.4 can be explained terminating or non-terminating. See question number 7. In question number 7, denominator in the form of 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 7, but 7 to the power 5 is also included. So this number is non-terminating. So number is non-terminating. In the condition of terminating, denominator is only 2 to the power m or 5 to the power m or both, not other any digit, not other any number. Okay. Now your homework is first question. First question you have to solve by this process and try to explain. Now question number 2. Write down the decimal expansion of those rational number in question number 1 above which have terminating decimal number, just like the first question. I will try to explain in the terminating number so you can do it. Come and see some questions. Just like question number 2. 17 by 8 equal to 2 to the power 3, since denominator is in form of 2 to the power m, therefore number is terminating. So 17 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 3 in numerator and denominator. So you will get 17 into 125 upon 10 to the power 3. Now 17 after multiply you will get 2125 by 1000 and division 2.125, that is terminate. Like this, all numbers who is terminate, you can explain, you can change into the decimal expansion. Your question number 2. That means in Hindi, in first question जो नंबर्स टर्मिनेटिंग हैं उनको डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन में चेंज करना है. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. केवल टर्मिनेटिंग जो है वही. ओके. नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज 3 numbers are given and you have to check whose number can be converted into the form of P upon Q. First is terminating, therefore it can be converted P upon Q, it is rational. Second is non-terminating, non-repeating number, therefore it cannot be converted P upon Q, it is irrational. And third is third is 43.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to bar. That is, it is a repeating number, recurring number. So it can be converted into the form of P upon Q and it is rational. So students, all about the real number I explain. Orally, one time revise total. First is divisibility. Second is Euclid division lemma on the basis of Euclid division algorithm. After that, principal theorem of arithmetic, rational and irrational, and after that decimal expansion. All over the syllabus of real number we finished. So chapter number 1 we finished, and all students of CBSE board, please download apps Google Meet. I will meet you live class for Monday. Just your class time 1:30 to 2:15. I will meet you for live class. Download Google Meet. Okay, thank you for today.